Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. You know I spend most of my day editing videos, editing photos, and working on the computer with spreadsheets. And guess what? I needed a powerful external monitor to my laptop that would change my life. And that's where INNOCN, this 34-inch widescreen monitor comes in. 21:9 ratio, it's got a perfect picture quality, easy on the eyes, no glare, and this thing is next level. Now for me, I like to put side by side, you have my screen and then a second screen, the big screen with everything that I need on it. This makes a world of difference for me. You may want to duplicate your screen. Maybe you're working on your screen, you want other people to be able to see it, people you're teaching or showing. This is an incredible work screen if you're an accountant. You can even split this screen, do picture-in-picture here, and you can have side by side of a spreadsheet and your data entry like accounting software. Whatever it may be, this is incredible. Now on top of that, it's completely adjustable, 30 degrees each way. It's got an angle that you can do on it, and of course the up and down that you can move this thing as needed. It's all counterbalanced. It's really a smart piece of technology. So folks, if you're looking for a great wide screen, there is nothing like this. This is a company that cares. This is a company that's been in business for a long time and they care about their brand. INNOCN is second to none. They're an elite brand. This is great for gaming. This is great for spreadsheets. This is great for computing and processing and watching movies. Can you imagine, folks? I love it. All right, so we're gonna show you this thing up close and personal, but what are my 5 favorite features? First off, very heavy base. This thing is not going to tip. Second off, I love that you can rotate it and move it. Absolutely perfect. Third, I love that it is low glare. The glare on this thing is practically none, which that isn't true on a lot of screens. I've never seen a screen quite like this. The fourth thing that I like about this is that it's ultra wide. The wide screen allows you so many more applications. You can even split it in half, like I said, put 50-50. You can have your Excel on this side, maybe your YouTube open on the other side, watch a movie, etc., etc. That is incredible. And fifth is all of the connection ports right underneath. You can have so many different HDMIs, so many different inputs. It's incredible. 65-watt USB. This thing is a beast. All right, folks, the most powerful monitor on the planet today. You won't be disappointed in picking it up. Stick around for the up-close portion of the video. I'm going to show you even more. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. INNOCN, INNOCN. It's a 34-inch wide, ultra-wide monitor. It's a 21:9 widescreen with IPS panel. It has the lifting base, the picture-in-picture, the PBP, and it's great on your eyes. Okay, so it's a 65-watt Type-C, and yeah, I gotta show you, look at how much better this looks. Like if you're working on the computer, would you rather work on this little screen or this guy here? And this is a 16-inch. Look at this. And I gotta just tell you, 911 looking good here. So what's nice about it? Now, obviously you can go side by side. That's gonna be fantastic. But let me show you all about it. First, I love that you can change your angle. Negative 30 degrees to positive. You can just turn the whole thing and it's sturdy, okay? So you can get the exact angle you want. You're not moving the base. It's a heavy base. It's not gonna tip over. Then on top of that, they thought of everything. This thing goes up and down very easily and sturdy, and you can tilt whatever angle you want on here. So this is a very sturdy way of doing this. Now, a high quality monitor, beautiful sleek design, ultra thin. They don't even state that. And the HDMI ports, this has a plenty of them. Easy connections over here. And I'm gonna see if I can get underneath. It's kind of hard to show you, but they thought of everything with all sorts of USB ports, HDMI ports, that tiny HDMI port, everything you need underneath. I'm running this all off of one HDMI. You can see there's multiple ports down here. Check your listing for that. So if you're looking for the best quality screen, and something else I can't understate is the lack of glare. This is a room full of lights. I've got studio lights all over the place and you're not seeing glare over here. None on this screen. That is an important factor. Low eye strain, low blue light. This thing is good for you. And the colors are so vivid and bright for on screen. That is incredible. And you're seeing it through the iPhone, so I know you're not getting the full feel, but this is an incredible, incredible screen. ultra wide, great for side by side, wide by side, and it's going to make a world of difference in your world. All right, that 34 inches, way bigger than you expect when you get it. This is a product that you can be proud of, that you can show off to your friends, and you're absolutely gonna love. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. If you're looking for an incredible journey in your computing, so you put an Excel here, an Excel spreadsheet there, you're working on photos here, you're working on video over there, whatever it may be, this is great. And if you're a photo editor or a video editor like I am, having that big HD screen makes a world of difference. 21 by 9 widescreen, IPS, PIP, it's got great eye care and a 65 watt Type-C built in. This thing's gonna blow your mind. All right, folks, again, look how thin it is. Great sound, great quality, and you're gonna love it. I love how adjustable this is too. It's counterbalanced to where there's like a spring in here to where it's not like slamming everywhere, and the left to right, you can angle this however you need it. And like I said, you can tilt it up, down. That is incredible. Never seen anything like this. This is a one-of-a-kind, fantastic monitor that can't be beat. INNOCN. Just say that you can. You can get it. You can get it. Pick it up, folks. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Thank you so much for watching. This thing is absolutely second to none. Adios, amigos.